Hagasngi bagaladon ka Jylla langsam khusnam kabla tip kum ka Riti Academy sngi ainam khusnam kata shaki samla jong ka Jylla kabla penlong hapaki dulan jonglan hakapasan ngot ki klor don nam kila yo priang yaki khusnam nau kongsan UCH Vijaya Shankar ulat ka Jylla Meghalaya hakar jinga don rengkat lang uba FR Kharkongor IAS Principal Secretary Katanat Arts and Culture badu Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS Commissioner but Secretary ulat ka Jylla Kaladon kabenta jong Jylla selok hapadang kini ki sangot bat ulat. Habayo ya kalat banya selok uway na kini ki sangot uba kerman lang Yuria ubalong Editor-in-Chief jong Shillong Mail kumjo ru unong tray mon ladi. Ulapen sngau haulat ke Jylla halor ke jingkiu jong ke jingdon ki kena di drugs Hapoh ke Jylla kebala keta hadu ya ke syongsok syongsngan bat ban kentu yau lat bakumu nong syongsnong beningkong ke Jylla baun pa lem ke Kyrwoh syaki nong syongsnong ke Jylla ki kun samla pakan don ke jingya kun kelum lang da baro persya yau new jingdi.
I do have a humble request to you, sir. You have, as we do have, a message from the governor before the Independence Day. I would like you to, as a first citizen of the state, to at least appeal to the community as a whole, the youth, to at least shun drugs. And as a society, we will fight together. As we have you as a person who is a straightforward person, to fight against drugs.
Haba jubab ya ke jingpen sngau ke bau ba kerman lang Yuria ula bo hakman ulat ke Jylla ula ong bahak beningkong usyem ya ke Jylla Meghalaya bakadai ke beneng bat ki nong song snong ke ni ke Jylla ki long ki badon bok balakha ya ki hang ni Kynrei uong ki don Tylli ki kam Sniew ki bala Kynrei ha ka emlang sa lang bat ki badai ban penduk pendam da ki kam babha khnang ban kentiu ya ki samla halaki sap ki phong khnang bakin la ban kyar na ki kam Sniew.
Only I used to tell, according to me, Meghalaya is a heaven. Meghalaya is a heaven. You are very lucky, you are all very lucky, because after 4 years I go back to Karnataka. Permanently you are going to stay here. You are very lucky to take birth in Meghalaya. With wholeheartedly I am telling this, you are very lucky to take birth in Meghalaya. But you see, 3 issues. One is drug. Overall, 10% of the population being affected. Altogether 3 lakhs now being affected only because of this drug. That is the first issue. From where it comes, how our department should tackle it, and how we can overcome with issues. What is the responsibility of the government? That is part 2. But we being the citizens, what we should do? What should we have to do? That way we have to think. That's number 1. Because just a few days back also we have been called meeting here. Just I think 1 week back. We have been called meeting with the concerned officers. We do our part of job, but we being the citizens of Meghalaya, our responsibility is also there. Number 1 is drug. And second thing, whether I should say, I should not say, I do not know. Teenage marriage. Below 18. Below 18. Just Dr. Baya had come, doctor from Nigreen, just 1 week back to meet me. By that time she was telling, before she come here, she was supposed to attend a girl at the age of 14. She is now pregnant. She herself is a baby. If at all she is going to have another baby, her life finished. Teenage marriage, too much here. At any cost we have to stop it. Below 18 marriage should not take place. What is our responsibility? That we think. Rule is there. Regulations are there. That is there. It takes its own terms. But we have to think wherever such incident take place, better we stop it. Teenage marriage we should not allow at any cost. And third issue, you see HIV. HIV is another issue, burning issue in our society. That also seriously we have to think. Awareness, we decide to take up awareness camps. We decide to take awareness camps in all the places, schools, colleges and rural areas. And most level we have to decide to take up regarding this HIV. These are the 3 issues I bring it to your notice. I bring it to notice of all the general people who are here. It is our collective responsibility to think over and tackle the issue.
Habathin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.